This is Brett Mooney with SkipperBud's Yacht Sales, and I'm going to take you on a tour of quite possibly the nicest 2021 boat condition-wise that I've ever seen. This Chris Craft 35 GT Launch Heritage Edition is immaculate, turnkey ready, super low hours, all fresh water, only 82 hours on the Mercruiser Bravo 3 8.2 liter engines. It's a beautiful fountain blue hull color with a charcoal black boot stripe. Bottom paint is in perfect condition. Outdrives are in perfect condition, and the interior looks brand new, as well as the teak. Shore full spectrum underwater lights. You see the dive door that will access interior. This saddle brown accent with the blue piping is extremely rich. Has all the teak handle accents, grab handles through, power sure shade sunshade. This table will fold up and retract under the seat there to stow away for easy access or retrieval. There's a pop-out ladder in the floor there for when this dive door opens. Trash can, refrigerator, again teak handle grab, and then a grill as well as sink. You've got the dual option screens with full controls of lighting, hatch, table, etc. Both starboard and port forward-facing seats are on power controls. Huge audio system with subwoofers and speakers all throughout the boat. Very well appointed, meticulously cleaned head, as well as cabin with TV. Right now the inserts are in to block light for the privacy, but there is large windows that access both that head and helm. And obviously you have the closing windshield and the wind dam here. Massive storage in the floor. This table is power actuated, so it'll go up to cushion height, which there's a cushion filler down in that cabin space, or up to full dinette height. And access to your windlass controls. Option with the Garmin radar and the controllable LED spotlight. Truly a remarkable condition boat, extremely well maintained. Currently in Holland, moving to our Grand Haven showroom sooner than later. This boat is available immediately, and you can reach out to me, Brett Mooney, at SkipperBud's Marine Max Yacht Sales anytime.